There is a quote from Ella Wheeler Wilcox. She said, "There is no chance, no destiny, no fate that can circumvent or hinder or control the firm resolve of a determined soul." I was so blessed to be able to leave my war-torn country while the gate was still open and it was still possible. But I asked myself, where will I go? Where will I stay? Will I be safe? Will I be sorry? Can I afford the cost of living in that place? These were questions I had about my survival. I had to make a decision fast. I had to leave immediately. I had no time to research all the details alone by myself. That is when I registered for Retire on My Budget. Retire on My Budget is a miracle. It provided me with all the answers to all my questions, and I was able to make an informed and intelligent decision of where I could afford to live with my small savings of money, a place that would be a safer and better choice to stay. I had saved up some money, and now was the time to start to live a better and safer life. With the information that Retire on My Budget provided, I decided to go to the country of Georgia for my survival. Sign up today and register for Retire on My Budget for your survival while the gates of opportunity are still open and it's still possible to travel. The clock is ticking. Don't wait until it's too late. Register today for your survival. RetireOnMyBudget.com. Thank you, Retire on My Budget. You are a miracle.